Hey, in this video we're going to look at creating auto numbers in Airtable. We're going to look at how you do it and we're going to look at why you might use those. So in this scenario here we have a company contacts table and we have a list of companies here, and what we want to do is create a unique ID for each one of these companies. So we're going to click on here and all we're going to do is search for auto number, and we're going to click create ID, create field, and we're going to get a unique ID for each record in here. The key thing is, if we create another record, we'll get number 5 as expected, but what happens if we delete this and we create again? We're going to get number 6. It's never going to duplicate the ID. Now this is really important when you're looking at account numbers, purchase order numbers, invoice numbers, anything that requires a unique ID that won't be replicated. So we have an ID for the company now, but it doesn't look very much like an account number. What we can do is just add a quick formula to make use of that ID. So we're just going to create a formula that prefixes this with the ACC for the account number, and then we're just going to sum, and we're going to add maybe 10,000 and then the auto number. So what we'll get when we click on that is this here, which looks more like an account number, and if we create another company here, we're going to get a unique account number as well. All we need to do then is hide this field because we don't need to see this auto-generated number. We'll rename this one to account number, and there we have it. We have an account number for each company here, which will just get created automatically every time. So this is how you do it. Hope it's useful. Thank you for listening.